Me doing a sexy look? What? Who? Girl. Quarantine cute video. Okay. Looking for a wig that's kind of on the low. Blow a little bit of your stimulus check, but not too much, you know, because we are inside. If you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then go ahead and check out this video. And if you want to know a little bit more about the hair, yeah, and if you want to see how I got these really nice loose kind of curls dropping all over the place, then definitely, you know, stay tuned. So if you guys watched my last video, then you saw this wig already. I'm gonna talk with the list for like a little bit of this video because I found this old retainer and I was like, let me see if it still fits, because I never wore it, and it does. It hurts a little bit, but it fits. Went ahead and washed the hair. Is the hair in its natural state. So yeah, we've been in quarantine for a bit, so I guess this is going on a month. Wow. So I've had it for about a month. I wanted to like see, you know, how it was before I did a review on it. I like trying new hair companies just so I can have like, you know, some options. This company has really good curly hair. This company has really good body wave. I really like this company's Peruvian, you know. The companies that were like really popping at the time with the influencers were companies that I was kind of skeptical about. Comments were saying like sometimes that only the influencers got the good hair, and I just didn't want to go through all that. Last wig that I bought kind of had me like that blonde wig that everyone loved. It was not great. It wasn't the best wig that I've ever had, no, for sure. There is this YouTuber, her name is Tatiana Westco. I've been following Tatiana Westco since I was like 13. I wanted like all this long, luxurious bomb hair that she had, but I didn't want to spend that money. And it wasn't even like super expensive, it's just money I didn't have. I wasn't doing. Went back like years, I mean like 3 or 4 years of YouTube video. Silky hair that she had when I was like, oh my gosh, she looks so bomb in this video. This is Asteria hair. I want that hair. It's not that expensive. I'm getting a wig. I'm getting it. Got a wig from there and it was amazing. It was like one of the best wigs I ever had. I dyed it blue. I went and purchased this wig from Asteria hair. This is the box that it came in. It's not even a bag, guys. I didn't even check this out. This is a scarf. I did not even know this was here. It looks like a Asteria Hair University. That's what it looked like, don't it? I don't be putting baby hairs on my wigs, but maybe I will start now that I have this. So this is what you get with your Asteria hair. Last time I got a bag. This time I got this. That's cool. And I got some lashes. I don't know how to put them on still to this day. I've tried with an extra elastic band. So if you want some security somewhere else, or if it's not really too snug or whatever the case may be, you can go ahead and sew on an elastic band. Is the transparent lace. So it's my first time getting transparent lace as well. All the specs for the hair. So 24-inch 6x6 closure unit, 200 density, a medium cap. So yeah, it's thick. It is, especially after you wash it and whatnot. It's like really full, but it's not, I don't think it's 200. I had a straight unit from them and I felt like it was a lot more full, but then again, it was also a frontal unit. So I don't know how that, I don't know. Like these ear tabs that are right behind the 6x6, because the 6x6 is from here to like here, which is like my entire forehead, honestly. I think I paid $230 for this unit. For a 200 density 24-inch unit, that's not bad at all. I did cut it, like I said, I added layers to it. It goes right here on me, and then if I turn around, it falls right above my booty, and before it was like all the way down here. Me and long hair have been getting along very well recently. You guys have never had transparent lace before. I don't really particularly like it. I don't think I did like an amazing job with it. If you don't know how to tint your lace, it's not gonna be helpful. It's always gonna be like a little bit of a little white cast. I'm not a professional tinter, I'm not a professional plucker, I don't be doing all that. Shedding, it doesn't really, I mean it sheds because I cut it a lot. I don't really get a lot of tangling, but I can't say I don't get any. Like I can't say I just like run through my hair without feeling like little snags and stuff. Anywho, anyways, we're gonna get right into styling. So watch me do this. I'll be kind of chilling when I be doing this. I'll be watching TV.
boy got it pretty like a girl, and he got 5 stories to tell. See both sides like Chanel, see on both sides like Chanel. Swimming laps, pool water, eating like I'm underworld. Had my tattoos in Shibuya, police think I'm of the underworld.
Let me know how you guys like this video. If you guys want more videos like this, I'm definitely always doing new hairstyles. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media at Asia Kamari. Snapchat to Instagram to Twitter. It's all the same. Go ahead and give me a follow. Go ahead and give me a like. Let me know how you guys feel about this video and what other videos you want to see. Because, yeah, I got some content coming for you cuties. So, I hope you guys are staying safe in the quarantine, by the way. Guys, just be safe out here. Be safe out here. Let's make sure that we're in a good mindset, that we're in a good mental space. Because when we get back out there, we're going to be on a hustle and grind for real for the rest of 2020. So, because we got a vision. We still got a 2020 vision, baby. Tunnel vision, baby. Like, do what you gotta do. Peace.
And he got 5 stories to tell. See both sides like Chanel, see on both sides like Chanel.